Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Welcome to Friday Night Cocktails. Today we're going to make a Irish Buck. Irish Buck is Irish whiskey, ginger beer, and some kind of citrus. I'm using freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can use lime, you can interchange. Instead of ginger beer, you could use ginger ale. I like ginger beer. Ginger beer gives another spicy level too. So let's make this drink. Irish Buck. Tom Collins glass filled with ice. We are gonna do 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. I'm using Jameson's. Straight up into the glass with the ice. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Right into the glass. We're gonna give this a quick stir. Gonna mix it up. That should do it. We're gonna top this up with ginger beer. So, Irish Buck. Once I put the ginger beer in it, I'm just gonna give it just a quick little stir. Don't disturb it too much. And then we are gonna garnish this with a slice of lemon. And there, folks, you have an Irish Buck cocktail. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Cheers. Let's try this drink. You're gonna go wrong with ginger beer, lime, and the whiskey. Thank you so much. Enjoy.